guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Eric with Confessions of a Homeschooler, and today we are going to be unboxing the Precuts Quilt Box. This is going to be their stash builder. They sent me both their classic box and their stash builder this month, and so I separated them out into two videos for you. This one, again, is their stash builder. If you're unfamiliar with Precuts Quilt Box, I'll put a link on where you can get their information and their boxes in the description box below, so just look down there. You can also go to precutsquiltshop.com, I believe. Let's go ahead and see what's in this month's box. All right, so each of the boxes come with a little information pamphlet. There is a coupon code on here. You can get 20% off of any free Spirit Fat Quarter bundles, so that's kind of nice. They have information on the fabric. This month's fabric is by Michael Miller Fabrics. They also have a new pattern design, and then they have a little sneak peek on what's going to be coming in the next month's box as well. They have a little blurb on here about there being a new notion, and it looks like they have reduced the postage and the size of the box so that they can use that savings towards an Amazon notion that they've sent us, so we'll see what that is. Looks like there's some good things in here. This month's designer looks like it is again Moira Carvalho, who lives in Australia. And then the fabric designer information is also on the back, and so this is just a little bit about who is designing the products that came in your box, which is always kind of fun. And then of course there's a little section on the bottom here that tells us everything that's in our box, but we're gonna look through it together. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing in my box is this little chocolate. Now I have seen these in their boxes before, and this was just sitting right on top. I always love getting fun little goodies in my box like this, and I did have to save it for this video. My only comment I think for this box would be that they put these in like a little maybe Ziploc baggie or something like that. I have had these melt in my boxes before if I can't get them out of my mailbox quickly, especially with the weather getting warm. I think that would be my only comment about having just live chocolate kind of on top of your fabric, but otherwise I'm always happy to get chocolate in my boxes. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out here is this thread, and this is Melter Silk Finish 50 weight, and it is retailing for $3.10, and this is, hopefully you can see that, it's a kind of a light pink color with, it almost looks like it has a little bit of lavender and white in it as well, so pretty variegated thread right there. All right, the next thing we have here is our Tepee Village pattern. And this looks really, really cute. The finished quilt says it is 60 inches by 74 inches. It is fat quarter friendly, and of course it has a shopping list of supplies that you need on it as well. Let's look inside. Looks like nice colorful instructions, so that is always a bonus. Okay, so there's template pages in here as well that you can use to trace. And then if you are new, you will be working with bias seams. So this isn't, in my opinion, a super beginner friendly pattern. Bias seams are super stretchy. And so yeah, some of the assembly of this I think is going to be a little bit more difficult if you're not, have a little bit of experience quilting, but otherwise it looks like a super cute quilt. I love the colors on it, and the teepees are just really, really cute. I think that's going to be a fun quilt to make. I think my mom would actually really like this one. She kind of has a Southwestern theme going on in her house, and so she probably likes something like this. So that's that. And again, pattern designer was Moira Carvalho. And I think I forgot to say, but the pattern retails for $10.99. All right, our next thing in the box here is this binding template tool, and this is the extra tool. They said they made their box a little bit smaller so they could save on shipping to get an extra product in here. And this is retailing for $10. And is there instructions on how to use it, or is it just in here? There's instructions on the ruler on how to use it. I have not used one of these. I do have a binding tutorial on my website, but I think this is actually kind of a cool tool, and this definitely might help you if you're new, or I think even if you're a seasoned quilter, this is kind of a cool tool to have, and I do not have one of these, so kind of cool to get that in the box. Okay, let's get to the fabric, because that's what this box is really all about. Oh, there's another chocolate in here. Okay, so in this box, there are 16 fat quarters. Definitely a lot of fabric in these boxes, and one of the things I love about their stash builder boxes is that's really the main focus. It does look like they threw in a couple of cool extra notions in here, but really they focus on the fabric and getting you a nice bundle of fabric. You could for sure make something out of 16 fat quarters, no problem. And so far the fabrics that they've sent are really cool. They're fabrics I haven't seen, and so I really like getting them. So let's go ahead and go through these. So this fabric is called Glitter Critters by Michael Miller Fabrics. Again, there's 16 of them. And we'll just go through the prints really quick here. Got a couple zebra prints going on. These super cute flamingos. Oh my goodness. We've got some swans, and I don't know if you can tell, but that kind of gold bit right there is sort of a metallic print. There's these hedgehogs. Ah, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Again, metallic, glittery, I guess. There's a nice kind of just geometric print in there, again with the glitter. These look like tiny little mice to me, mice and hearts. Some more flamingos. Some more swans. Swans are upside down, sorry. There you go, swans. This is just kind of a low volume white with some gold dots on it. We've got these ones, little starbursts or something. They look like fireworks. And the gold are a metallic. Not sure if my camera is catching it or not. Another flamingo print, super cute. Some more swans. These are really, really cute in person, you guys. I hope they're coming up as cute as they are on, whoops, upside down hedgehogs. There we go. I hope they're looking as cute as they are on my screen as they do in person, because they're super cute. Some more hedgehogs, aqua hedgehogs. And then one last of the flamingos. This one is super pretty. I'm thinking this will make really, really cute bags. I'm like on a bag kick if you haven't noticed. And yeah, these are super cute. Let me show them to you all together. All right, so here it is all together again. And of course it pairs beautifully with the pattern that they sent out. I just think that's so cute. I might have to make this one. This one is really, really cute. And I just love all the colors. They're just bright and cheery and happy. They're nice and kind of light. Of course, the navy's a little bit more bold, but for the most part, I feel like this is a pretty neutral kind of quilt. Probably could go just in about any house. All right, guys, so that's everything that came in this month's Stash Builder box. Okay, so on here, they also put their box totals, which is really handy for me. Okay, so the fat quarters were retailing for $3.50 each, then the pattern for $10.99, the thread for $3.10, the binding tool was $10, and then $8 for shipping, which brings the value of this box to $88.09, which is a great value. If you are looking for a way to build your stash, I think this box is a really fun way to do it. They definitely don't skimp on the fabric. There is a ton of fabric in all of these boxes, and I'm always amazed when I open them up and it's just all fabric. It's just so fun. So I really like that they kind of give you the different options. If you just are really into fabric and you want to build your stash, you can go that way. If you still are interested in getting fun notions, you can kind of go that route, and it helps you kind of decide where you want to be spending your money. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making videos like this for you. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.